Hi, you see the thumbnail. Come on, let's get started.
Here's my ingredients. My chicken wings have been rinsed and patted dry. Now I'm adding my seasonings: salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, gram masala, and brown sugar. You can also use cumin in the place of gram masala. I'm going to add a touch of canola oil and bake these wings for 1 hour. While the chicken is in the oven, I'm going to start my glaze. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I will be adding 3 chopped garlic cloves. I'm going to let it simmer for 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and I'm going to let it get brown. This is the color you want it to be, a light brown. I'm going to also saute the garlic, and I have drizzled a little bit of olive oil, and I want it to get semi-brown. This recipe will be in the description below, and if you find it helpful, do like and subscribe. The sauce is looking good and thick. These chicken wings baked for 1 hour. Now I'm going to fry them in some canola oil. I'm using my leftover oil. I'm testing my oil with this wooden spoon. And when it bubbles up, it's ready. These delicious wings are done. Now I'm adding the sauce to it. Just sprinkle a generous amount of the sesame seeds. Now they are done. Oh my goodness, they are so delicious. You have to try this recipe. Thanks for watching.